Okay, I just came in from doing an outside garden tour and I wanted to check out my dehydrating over here, my chips. Anyway, this is a dehydrator. It's sort of like a oven type dehydrator. I got chips in here. They're all looking good. This time I flavored them. Last time I didn't, and they go all the way on up. These chips here, if you see, they just crack. See, they just crack apart, just like that. And the taste, nice and crunchy. Got a good flavor to them. So I'm enjoying them. The last chips I did, these chips here, they don't have any flavor to them, and they're a little softer. I'm going to bag these up, put them in the freezer, and then you can make eggplant parmesan with them, and the sauce will soften them up. But I'm going to go ahead and make them this way, right here. Nope, hello there. My bird just came on my shoulder. She's wings, so she flies around. Anyways, I'm trying to perfect these. They taste good, but I think next time I'm going to spice them up a little more and let them soak a little more. And then do them, because boy, I got a ton of eggplant and I want to use them up without them going bad, and I've been giving a ton away. But supposedly you could store these for a while too, so let's see what happens.